Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen. I wanted to talk to you today real quick about some new side markers we have for the square body Chevy trucks. Pretty cool little product here. We'll go look at one that's actually installed on a truck here in just a minute, but they come in 3 different flavors: clear, smoked, and amber. So kind of to fit whatever your personal taste is. It's a great quick LED upgrade for any of those trucks. Let's see if I can get one to light up here real quick. You can see it's got a nice bright amber look to it. Very OEM fit and finish. Pretty high quality product. I'm quite happy with these. So if you want to get a set for your square body, head over to sparksmith.com. You can see we've already installed the clear lens option on this truck, and you've got that nice bright